making today? We are making a Caribbean dish, very delicious, rice and peas. I'm making a big pot of rice and peas for a party, so I've got 16 ounces of kidney beans. I didn't do it from scratch, but if you do it from scratch, all you need to do is get the dried kidney beans, soak it overnight, and then boil it for an hour. I'm boiling 2 tins of kidney beans. I'm adding in my seasoning, onions, peppers and garlic, and also the water has vegetable stock in it. And just let it all cook through here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Just reminding you to subscribe. Once you've added in the onions and peppers and the garlic and the seasoning, give it a good mix and another cook through. Then I'm going to add a tin of coconut milk. Delicious. This is what makes that creamy and nice. I've got some dried thyme, but fresh thyme is just as good. I'm doing loads of thyme because I really like that thymy taste, and I'm going to give that a beautiful mix up. Look at all that. Then I've got brown rice. Some people use white rice, but remember I'm on the health tip, so I'm washing some brown rice and I'm adding it to our big pot of rice and peas, and I'm going to mix that over. I'm going to make sure that the rice is covered completely with the water, and then this is a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper just to give it that zing. Keep it whole, try not to let it burst in the pot. As you can see, the rice and peas is cooked, it's delicious, and I'm going to take out that pepper and look at that lovely rice and peas. Isn't that delicious? This is how you make rice and peas, people. Really simple, very delicious. This rice and peas, you can have it with any of your main dishes. I'm going to make pumpkin curry. I'm going to add with it because I've got loads and loads of pumpkins, and as you know, it's pumpkin season here in this house. Pumpkin season now. Pumpkin season now. Basically, it's a really tasty dish, and of course, it's very healthy with the beans. A quick recipe this week. I hope to see you next week. I hope you follow me on my socials. I will see you next time. As my late dad would say, we're passing through this earth, so let's make this life the best we can. Let's make healthy choices, healthy options. I will see you next time. Take care. Watch your portion sizes as well, so not too much big dinner.